The 3 steps involved in the handshake. Synchronization. The initiating device, client, sends a TCP segment with the sync flag set to the server. This segment includes an ISN, which is stand for initial sequence number that the client chooses. The sequence number is used to keep track of the bytes of data sent in the connection. This flag is used for the synchronization of sequence numbers. It does not carry any real data. It mainly consumes one sequence number. Synchronization acknowledgement. Upon receiving the sync segment, the server responds with a TCP segment of its own. The server acknowledges the client's SYN by setting the acknowledge flag and also sends its own SYN flag. The server also chooses its own initial sequence number for the connection. This is mainly used for synchronization in other directions and acknowledgement for the signal received. It does not carry any real data. It also consumes one sequence number. Acknowledgement. It is just an acknowledgement segment. It does not consume any sequence number if it does not carry any data. The client, upon receiving the synchronization acknowledgement, acknowledges the server's sync by sending a TCP segment with the acknowledgement flag set. This segment includes an acknowledgement number, ACK number, equal to the server's ISN increment by 1. At this point, the connection is established and both devices can start exchanging data. The three-way handshake ensures that both parties are ready and agree to communicate before data transfer begins. If any of the steps fails or if there's a timeout, the connection is not established, and the devices may attempt to reinitiate the process. This mechanism helps in providing reliable and ordered communication between devices over a TCP connection.